In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Salesforce instance. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a refresher, knowing how to locate this information can be incredibly useful. Your Salesforce instance essentially acts as the specific server cluster where your organization's Salesforce data is stored. This can affect certain functionalities and integrations, so having quick access to this piece of information is critical. Let's dive right into it. Start by navigating to your Salesforce homepage. Go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. You'll land on the home page, which is essentially your command center for all Salesforce activities. This is the hub from where we'll begin our journey to find the instance. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to click on the Quick Settings icon. It's usually found at the top right corner of your screen, represented by a small gear icon. Clicking on Quick Settings gives you access to an array of Salesforce features and settings, making it a handy tool for managing various aspects of your experience. Next, find and click on Open Advanced Setup. This will open up a more detailed menu of settings and options beyond what's immediately visible in Quick Settings. Advanced Setup is a great place to get a deeper understanding and control over your Salesforce environment. With Advanced Setup open, type in Company Information in the search bar. This is a shortcut that saves you the time of manually scrolling through the settings. The search bar is a super useful tool within Salesforce for quickly locating specific items without hassle. After typing in Company Information, select it from the list of options. Clicking on it will take you to a page filled with key details about your company's Salesforce setup. This is a valuable resource for checking everything from storage usage to specific organizational details. Now comes the part we've been aiming for. On the Company Information page, you'll want to focus on the section labeled Instance. This item tells you the exact name of your Salesforce server instance. Understanding your instance is important for a variety of administrative tasks, including troubleshooting and setting up integrations with other platforms. Look closely at the given instance name, as this is the specific identifier you've been searching for. Knowing where to locate it can streamline a lot of processes in your Salesforce journey. This instance name will be crucial if you need to contact Salesforce support or work on integrations that require server-specific configurations. And there you have it. You've successfully located your Salesforce instance. I hope this tutorial was helpful and makes your Salesforce experience a little bit smoother. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.